Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'll show you how to keyframe within CapCut. So let's drag our piece of media onto a timeline, and keyframes can be used in multiple different ways. So we can add position and size here, we can add a keyframe, move it on, then adjust the size, and the keyframe will automatically be added, and you'll have zoomed in using keyframes. So let's get rid of them too. You can also use keyframes, for instance, to add this picture here. Let's adjust the size. Then add a keyframe. Move the picture along. Then move the clip over like that. And when you play that, you can see the picture moves across using keyframes. So you can use keyframes in many different ways. But that's a basic overview how to keyframe in CapCut. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.